How to copy product links from Shein app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to copy product links from Shein app. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shein application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in using your login credentials. And once you are on the homepage of Shein, scroll through and tap on the product whose link you want to share, and further tap on the share button, which is located right on top of your screen beside your cart. You will then see the option for copy link. Tap on that to copy the link, and you can now paste it further anywhere you like. So this is how you can copy product links from Shein app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.